Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox of the Dell new laptop which is having SSD 1 TB SSD. I'm going to show you guys what are the things in this box, but trust me, it is very beautiful laptop. I suggest you, if anyone looking for a laptop, please buy it. So performance also everything good. So I'll show you the tag also. It is having, this is the features it has, like a Dell Inspiron i5-3511, so 11th generation it is, and it's a 1 TB one actually. Okay, let's quickly do it guys. What we have inside the cold alarm is there. Oh my god. Oh, see this. Okay, the charger, second charger, it's empty box. Oh, here we have the lucky one. Yes. I think nothing, we have some kind of manual process. I think I'm good to go. Oh, okay, keep this side. This is the laptop guys. If you're using heavy installation softwares, please my suggestion is to use SSD one. It's very fast installation, and installation is very fast. If you're planning to use heavy installation, then you can use it. Wow, it's looking very beautiful. Let's switch on this. Switching on this. Trust me, it has very awesome speed guys, really. So it is a Windows 11 and RAM 8 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. Holding this features. As I told you, already I have done this. These are the details which I have taken. I'll show you this. Its MRP is it's cost 85 2000 guys. I brought it from Nagar, Bangalore location. We got a nice store guy also has a very nice actually Dell store which is stays in Nagar, but it's quite good actually. You can see the performance, the way you browsing, so everything it's like a matter of seconds to operate everything. Okay, if I want to open something. So, and one more feature in Windows 11 you can see is you can use the dual monitor, dual desktops here. So if you have holding any kind of desktop one, and you can create a desktop too also. So there you can create any kind of folders, keep hold that one also. That is one feature we have. And coming to see, you can see this lots of music. The speed also is very fast. Seriously, trust me, speed also is very fast actually. So it's good actually. Let me show you the configuration how it is. Yeah, as I told, this configuration is 8 GB RAM and it's 11 generation one. So Windows 11 and Microsoft 2021 actually. So along with this, I got it from the store. It's one free bag. Okay, that is from Dell company. It's also to carry, it's awesome. So including the bag, I have received the mouse as well. Let me open. Yeah, the bag which I got from Dell. It's also nice. It's a free complimentary, guys. And after this, it's a toolkits for cleaning, monitor, and desktop cleaning. Everything is also monitor. And also, it's a wireless mouse. I got it from Dell store. This is also the It's all three. It's complimentary, guys. So it stays in Nagar. Uh, they're quite very good people. So they have given the very good customer satisfaction. If you are planning to buy, visit there. And trust me, guys, this SSD one it's awesome one. So compared to hard disk, so SSD is quite fast. The operating also is fast. So, everything is like the matter of seconds it will open. So if you want to open anything, so it's a matter of seconds. So if you want to install or uninstall anything, quite fast actually compared to this is a core hyper processor actually. That's it about this. If you have anything, please do comment. Keep supporting, keep like and subscribe for my channels. Thank you.